Hello, is there anyone over here? Let me check. Hi, Dritish. So, let the other comes. Yes. So, we have three participants over here. So, uh, let the other people join. Then we will start with the live sessions. Hope my voice is audible, right? Yeah, hi. Hi. Rajdeep, hi. Anuja, Shayon, Gaurav, Shomiron. Okay, we have a lot of people now. Junaid, yes. Shayon, Sneha, Anshu, yes. Kumar Avijit, yes. Fine. Yeah, good evening to everyone. Let the others join and we will start. So, we will wait for like 1 to 2 minutes and I will brief you the things that will take place from the next week onwards. My voice is audible? Yes, is it clear? And is the image quality it is okay? Yes, okay, thank you. Okay. So right now we have like let's check for now. Okay, a lot of participants are gathering right now. Okay, so let me start now about this session or the online class that will take place from next week onwards. The thing is there will be two form, so there will be two form of studies that will be taking place. One is the chalk and talk method, which will be performed using screen sharing, and the other will be performed on the chalk and talk method, which will be performed using live streaming through a webcam, and the screen sharing method where we will be sharing the computer screen, and you will be able to see the computer screen, and the ppts and everything will be showcased over there. So this is another method of showcasing or rather taking the classes. So we have two procedures which will be opted for your this theory class as well as for your practical. Okay, so a lot of people are coming, still coming. So we have passed 5 minutes 43 seconds live streaming in HD. Hope the quality and sound is fine for now. I will just show you one thing. So either it will be performed in a screen captured method or chalk and talk. Like I'll just show you. There is a board over there, right? So I will be fixing my camera over there, and I will be taking class over there through the board. And sometimes it will be the case that I will be sharing the screen and performing some programming, or uh, you're demonstrating some ppts over there. So this can be done through screen sharing method, but you will be only concerned with only one thing, which is Google Classroom. The Google Classroom is the method or the procedure through which everything will be shared with you. be it the class assignments, be it the quizzes, be it the links, be it the notes, be it everything will be monitored, everything will be shared with you, and everything will be checked and submitted back to you through this very Google Classroom. So we have like 130 people, I think. Yes, 130 people have joined for now. Yes, 132, it's increasing still, but still a lot of people is still left. We'll wait. So please don't leave. I will just showcase you some important things through the Google Classroom platform, and how that can be implemented for your next week onwards classes. Yes. Okay. Now let's wait for 1 minute more. 140 people. Still, people are coming. Okay. So if anyone has any query, you can ask for the time being, and I will start with the session after that. So you can write something. Yes, this is a good way of writing. This is a good way of proceeding with the attendance also. If you write your section and your roll number, it will be very helpful. Yes. Okay. Now another thing over here, acha, just to be clear, every classes, okay, 1 minute, let me check once. So yeah, every classes will be mapped to the online classes. Over here what the things will be done is, yeah, there is a copyright problem obviously, but it won't be hampering our classes. The things will be modified accordingly. And about the classes and all, what will be the thing is, all the classes that we have is will be taken in the online platform. The online platform, we used to have what, we used to have like a 1 hour class. Now this 1 hour class is broken down into assignments, into this online test that we have in the IMCRP, and the live streaming. So it will be like a 20 to 30 minutes of live streaming, followed by a 20 minutes of assignment, which will be given to you through the Google Classroom platform, and a 10 minutes of IMCRP attendance system. So this will be done in the very manner, and your streams and your logging in into these YouTube live will also be monitored, and your submissions of assignments into the Google Classroom will also be monitored. So this sort of thing has been done, and the routine has been modified, which will be conveyed to you. The practical and the theory will be modified accordingly. So we will be having the practicals through the online virtual labs. So we have physics and chemistry, right? So physics and chemistry will be happening through the online virtual labs. And this is to ensure that classes go on, because we have like just 1 month, after which we have the semester exam. So it's we cannot the classes cannot be hampered due to this coronavirus situation. So it is better, we are trying our best, every teacher is trying, every teacher is upgrading to this online platform. They are trying their very best of modifying themselves, and getting themselves accustomed with this online platform. So your cooperation is also required. Yeah, internet is limited, that is true. So we are considering a assignment based system, where the classes will be very less, the streaming classes will be very less. so you don't need to think about that. It's recommended that you use a broadband, because it will be very helpful for if you use a broadband. And online, obviously the whole consideration is that you have a 1 GB of bandwidth usage every day, so I don't think it will be a problem. And the classes will be done in that manner, so classes won't be extended like it will be a 1 hour class or something like that. Yeah. So this particular streaming that I'm doing, this is through Streamlabs. Now there are procedures for this. There is this online YouTube studio where we directly give the video, or rather record the videos. And right now I'm doing this with the mobile phone's Streamlab. And I'm just monitoring, just switch the camera so that you can see. So this is my setup over here. I'm just monitoring the messages and everything, and seeing the analytics over here. And so this is done by the mobile. And over here, just simply over here I will be taking the classes and all through the board. So this will be done. Hopefully this will suffice anyway. So, and right now over here, the Google Cloud, the Google Classroom will be used for sharing the things. Yeah, the timings will be same. That 90% data is used, sir. Yes, that is true. So you have to save the data for this very purpose of classes if you are using mobile datas. And routine will be conveyed to you by today. I think it will be sent to you through the leaders, through the CRs, through your respective sections. I'll just show you the Google Classroom. Let's start with the Google Classroom for now, right? Let me just show you directly. So over here, if you could see that over here we have this very Google Classroom platform opened, right? Now, when you log in, I'll just show you. This is how you go there. You just simply type Google Classroom and you go into the Google Classroom. This is classes.google.com. So this is it. So over here you just get started with your respective email ID. Over here I will be using my different email ID, so I'll be using something different. Okay, so I've logged in with my email ID. And yes, the doubts will be conveyed through the messages. Shagnik, we will convey through the messages. You will convey through the messages and we will answer them, so it won't be a problem, I think. And right now I will just join a class. So how do you join yourself? You just go into this plus and you click on this join class over here. So this join class, if you click on it, there will be this tab where you can give the class code. So I'll just show you the class code. We have formulated the class code accordingly. And this is the very class code over here. So how many class codes we have for section A? This is for section A. Section A, please don't joke for now, right? Classes. Yes, about the practicals we will discuss. Don't worry, we will show it to you. So this is like this is the first chemistry. We have maths, English, essential for this. Let's join the computer. Let's join the computer class. So how do you join? You copy the code. Once you join, it is fine. You don't need to rejoin. You will be able to join. So I'll just paste it over here and I'll click on join. So I'm joining. Some sort of problem is there. The code isn't valid. Make sure that you have typed the correct code. Okay, some sort of problem is there. I don't know what has happened. Okay. Okay, we are joining a class. So this is the way you join a class. So we have entered the aptitude class over here. In the aptitude class, So over here what we have done is we have joined the aptitude class, and over here the teachers will be giving the Google Live link over here, some sort of posting. They can post, the mentors or the rather the teachers of that very class can post something over here. So I'm just posting hello. So don't just spam whatever you like over here. Spam ing is banned. So what you do is you just post some relevant questions, so some sort of links and everything can be posted over here, right? And over here in the classwork what you can see is in the classwork section, just after the stream, the classwork section, the classworks, everything will be given to you and you will be submitting the classworks through here. So view all classworks, every classworks will come and you will submit through either attachment or through the very method of just answering through quizzes and all. So everything will be showcased to you again and again, so I don't think there will be scope for doubt or misunderstanding. And again over here the links to the YouTube will be given. The link to the YouTube for this very aptitude class will be given in here. So you will just simply click over here, and what it will do, it will just, I will just show you how the links will be there. It will be something like this very link of live, or rather to the respective channel, will be over here. This sort of this sort of links will be over here. You will simply go into the respective class like this. I will just do it again. Let me back. Wait 1 minute, just over here we have the very classes. You will be having all the classes over here. You will simply click on, say suppose aptitude, and as you go over there you will get the link to your Google or to your YouTube live. Once you click on it, you will directly go into the YouTube live where the live is being taking place. See, the live is happening over here. You just go into the classroom and you click on it and the live will take place. Simply, it can be a chalk and talk, it can be any sort of method, so it won't be a problem. So the live will happen in this very manner, and after this what you do is you can view the very video, and over here the assignments will also be given to you. So whatever this 30 minutes, after the 30 minutes you get the 20 minutes assignment. So this 20 minutes assignment, you submit the assignments over here, and you will be able to complete yourself with that very class. Okay, now about the practical and everything we will be showcasing. So not just me, all the teachers will be taking their live sessions with you all. So it will be better that if they take a demo live sessions within this very Saturday and Sunday. uh, Email, yes, email is like this. Every email should be constructed in the very manner where you have your section and your roll number is mentioned with it. If it is not there, it will be difficult for us to give the attendance, and we won't be giving you attendance just like that. So it will be monitored accordingly, so please do it. Yes, the classes routine will be shared, the class routine will be shared to you all, and this will be done. And the person who has named himself as coronavirus, please change it. So this all things won't be helping you, so you have to proceed with the classes and you have to do it diligently, right? Yeah, you have to view the new you have to view the YouTube live with your new this 1 minute, new this email ID. You have to create the email ID and you have to view the YouTube live through it. Please net काम होता है थोड़ा देख के और भी कम होते हैं. हाँ, that is true. We will modulate. Just go with the 1 week. We will modulate accordingly. If the bandwidth usage gets more, we will be doing some sort of modifications accordingly. More assignments, less classes, something like that. Everything will be modulated accordingly. But the classes will be done like that. So you don't need to think about it. So assignment in the Google Classroom or IMCRP. IMCRP is for attendance assignment through Google Classroom. Virtual lab, yes, virtual lab is like this. I will just show you one. This virtual lab thing. So you go into vlab.com. This is it, vlab.com. In vlab.com, over here we have, this is created by the Ministry of Human Resource and Development. So as you can see over here, we have the rest of the things. So say suppose this physical science labs can be can be clicked, and we can get all the lab assignments and the simulators from here. So your lab teachers will convey this very thing. This is for physics. We can have this very same for chemistry also. There is chemical science. We have chemical science, and we can get the chemistry this lab simulators and everything. So inorganic, organic, whatever is there, titrations and every all procedures will be discussed to you. All the lab teachers will be discussing this. So this will be done in this very manner. And another thing is your attendance. It will be asked, it will be done, it might be the case that we will be asking some random names out of it. Say suppose I ask section B roll 24. What you do is you answer it through the messages that I am present. If you are not present, then it will be, we will take strict actions accordingly. So all the sections have to, it's mandatory for you all to get into the live stream. Yes, 1 GB gets exhausted if you view all the videos and everything through your, this has to be diminished for 1 month, because classes are more important, and this has to be done. Yes, attendance through IMCRP, and the assignments, quizzes and everything through Google Classroom. So we have 241 people for now. There should be more such people who are missing this out. Live classes, use strict actions. Yes, the everything should be maintained, because this strictness is the only thing that matures you enough to get yourself the jobs and all. Where you will message and marks. Yes, everything over here, what we will be doing is we will be taking classes, and over there the whatever you do, whatever you give, the problems and whatever you haven't understood, it will be conveyed through messages. You will, like the one you're doing and all. So how many classes in a day? Same way it will be, it will be in the very same manner of 6 hours, but 6 hour class is not possible through live stream. So what we will be doing is we will be taking 3 hour class, and then again 3 hour. So the first 3 hour will be like 20 minutes, 20 minutes, 20 minutes. First 20 is for the first hour, where the first class will be taken, the next 20, then the next 20, but the assignments will be there. So the new routine you will be able to see, so it won't be a problem. So it will be like that. uh, how we will give attendance through IMCRP quizzes will be shared to you to your this Google Classroom, or you can directly go into IMCRP. Say suppose I tell you to go into IMCRP and give attend the quiz that is there over there. So what you do that, and the marking will be done accordingly. No, 6 hours, it's not 6 hours of class like that, it's different for now. Let's start with this, and hopefully it will be successful, because right now it's a one-to-one. So if you have any problem, it's like one-to-one, right? So it will be done accordingly. Yes, okay. So net শেষ হয়ে যাচ্ছে, অনেকে অনেক কিছু বলছে। Obviously, let's end it for today, and we will start with the next session. So I will just convey this message that this sort of duration is very less, so we have to modify accordingly. Let's see what can be done, and thank you all for coming. So again, we will have this very session. Not I won't be taking, some other teacher might be taking, so they just need to so we need to practice this in this weekend. So please attend the classes, do it with the diligently, and just that's it. Thank you all for coming, right? Bye bye.